Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into the channel today. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like this video and hit that red subscribe button because it really does help out the channel a lot and your support would be greatly appreciated. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick disclaimer for you guys that anything on this channel is not financial advice, so please do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. If we are looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $960 billion. Meanwhile, BTC dominance, on the other hand, is only at 38.1%. If we are looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see we are seeing a continuation of more red across the board over the last 24 hours. As you guys may know, yesterday we did see quite a bit of red within the markets, and we are seeing a continuation of that happening today as well. Mainly because Bitcoin is sitting at some critical price levels, which I have been saying for quite some time, causing the entire markets to react. As you guys know, Bitcoin is the king of the markets. Everything is correlated with the price of Bitcoin. So that is something to note right now. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one project that we are absolutely loving on our channel, and that's none other than Terra Luna Classic. All right, my Luna Classic family, if we are looking at the price right now, it is currently trading at 0.00028 cents. It is down 4.9% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also down 3.7% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Market cap is currently sitting right below that $2 billion mark, to be exact at $1.92 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $573.8 million. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we are still down. Obviously, you guys know that major collapse, but in the last few days, if you were accumulating since early September, you're quite up still as of now, even after seeing some consolidation, which we will jump into right now. So before I begin, getting into the price chart, all the exciting stuff, I just want to say this. I just want to share this tweet with you guys. So Watcher.guru tweeted this out yesterday. So this is what this account posted. Just in, Binance burned $922.8 million worth of Luna Classic fees collected from spot and margin trading pairs. That is absolutely insane, guys. This is absolutely insane. And this really goes to show how massive this burn really is. And I'm sorry, that does not say million. That says 922,800. It's still morning over here, so please accept my apology. But that really goes to show. Now you may be saying, oh, this is just 922,800. Why is that massive? Remember, if this continuously happens and more exchanges jump on with this entire burn, this is going to be very big. And a lot of people are not understanding as to what exactly the power of this burn really is. And now we are seeing CZ, the owner of Binance, really coming out and engaging the community, as well as asking other exchange owners to come and take a part of this. And like I mentioned in my previous videos, all these exchanges are businesses at the end of the day. They want to have the volume on their exchanges rather than competitors, so they are more likely going to take part of this. Because look at what happened with Shiba Inu, guys. Just look at what happened last year. We had Shiba Inu listed on just a few exchanges, and it just started off as a community hype thing after Dogecoin mania, and after you saw Coinbase, Robinhood, Binance, all the major exchanges list Shiba. Why? Because they want to take part and they want to have the share of the pie of the volume, and that's exactly what I believe is going to happen with Luna Classic as well. Again, my own personal opinion, not financial advice. But now if we go into the price charts and see what exactly is going on, this is something interesting to point out for you guys right now. Like I said, the price is trading at 0.00028 cents. This is the daily time frame, and again, a lot of people are coming and saying, oh, Luna Classic has crashed, it's going to zero. But like, if we look from August 22nd, guys, let's just bring out the measuring tool for you guys so you guys get a better picture. If you bought some Luna Classic on October the 22nd, August 22nd, you're already up 220%, and that's after having a correction. 220% gains in a bear market, that is absolutely mind-blowing. And I do still believe there's quite a bit of more upside, as we're seeing more and more hype building up for this project. Yes, we are seeing some consolidation happening right now. There's a lot of FUD. Obviously, that's going to go about. And let me just tell you one thing. No one is going to get rich overnight, guys. Unfortunately, that is not the case. It does require patience. Patience is your number one best friend when it comes to cryptocurrencies. And with Luna Classic, like I said, I've not kept this a secret. I've shared my personal thoughts with you guys. I really do believe this project is going to shake the crypto space, really shock a lot of people as to how much of a rebound it could possibly make because of the community, the hype that it's building up. More and more exchanges listed. We could see something very, very massive play out in the next coming months to a year. And but it requires patience, because nothing goes up straight forever, guys. If someone came up to you and says, you're gonna become a millionaire overnight in cryptocurrencies, I will be your best friend. The Crypto ZX channel, I'm gonna come and be quite transparent with you guys and say that is just not the case. You don't become rich overnight, because if the price goes up straight in one line overnight, that's as fast as it can go down. It's just one step at a time. And like I mentioned, Luna Classic in a bear market is still up 220% from August 22nd prices. So that's something to keep in mind. But right now, you guys can see just yesterday we saw the price of LUNC drop back down to the support line. It was supported by this support line. You can see we saw a major bounce since then, and clearly the 0.00026 cent support line is playing as a level of support for us right now. But now comes the question. That everyone wants to know. Are we going to start heading back towards the upside, or could we possibly see LUNC break below and start seeing these levels that we have not seen? Obviously, no one wants to see Luna Classic break this level of support right now. But if that were to do so, it would all depend on Bitcoin. Because right now, guys, like I mentioned earlier in this video, Bitcoin is sitting at some very, very critical price levels. We are breaking downwards once again. We did see a $20,000 Bitcoin just a couple of days back. But I've kept no secret. I've been saying to you guys that I'm not getting excited about Bitcoin until we are above 22,100. And as of now, that is not the case. So we're in major bear territory. And if we break below the 78.6, guys, then we could see some lower lows. And if we break the $17,700 wick that we saw back on June, I'm very, very optimistic that we are going to see Bitcoin hit $15,000, and obviously that is going to have a major impact on the crypto space along with Luna Classic. So that's something to keep in mind. And if you were buying back on August, guys, and you're sitting at 220% profit, locking some profits in right now would not be the worst thing to do. And again, that's just my own personal opinion. You guys do what works for you. But let's say BTC does steady out, then we could see the altcoin market along with the Terra Luna Classic price really start to move back up. But Luna Classic, one thing to point out for you guys is that has been outperforming Bitcoin and the overall cryptocurrency space by quite a big of a margin, and I do continue to see this happen as we go into the next coming weeks, because like I said, a lot of hype coming in now. Literally Twitter has been trending with LUNC. And also, one thing to show you guys right now, let me bring it out for you guys. Look at what's happening with USTC. I made a video on USTC yesterday, but look at what's happening. 44% gain happening with USTC over the past 24 hours. And I do believe this money is going to flow back into LUNC. And that's also one of the reasons as to why we have seen a little bit of more retracement happening with Terra Luna Classic, because more and more people are jumping back into USTC to get the gains and go back into Luna Classic. But like I said, Luna Classic's move is coming. I'm sensing it, but it requires patience. But if anything happens, I will keep you guys updated. BTC dominance, on the other hand, is spiking up. Obviously, a lot of uncertainty on the Bitcoin side, so that is to be expected. But let me know in the comment section below, what are you guys doing right now? and where could you see the price of Terra Luna Classic go at the end of October. And let me know if you guys are enjoying these videos, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.